Hello friend, welcome to Roxana Reed Media. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a new Instagram account if you already have one. So if you want to make multiple Instagram accounts but just have one login, one email address or one password, then keep on watching and I will show you step by step. By the way, if you are new to my channel and you are interested in all things related to videography and social media, then don't forget to click the subscribe button just below because that's what I'm all about. There are many different reasons why people would want to have multiple Instagram accounts. Maybe you've got a personal one and one for business or for YouTube or whatever. And if you're somebody like me and you find it really difficult to remember all these different passwords and logins, then this is the best way to do it. You can just have one account that you need to log into, one password, one email address, one phone number, whatever it is, and you can link all your other accounts to this. So let's jump into my phone screen capture and I'll show you exactly how to do this and also some useful tips for setting up a new account. So there are two ways to get started with this. You can either go from your home page or you can go from this page, like your actual profile with all your feed posts. And what you want to do is just click on the bottom right icon, or you can click on the top, for example, where it says Roxana Reed Media. And then here are all my other accounts. And if you've only got one account, you just want to click Add Account and then click Create New Account. Okay. And input your username and just click Next. And then it says choose how to log in. If you've only got one account, it will just show you the one account. Here I've got a few different accounts, but I want to use this first account that's already highlighted. Then all my accounts are linked. I don't need to use a different password. I don't need to remember a different password. It's just really simple for me to remember this one password and I can access all accounts from whichever one. So I'm just going to click Next. If you do want to create a new password, just tap create new login, but I'm going to tap next. So it says here anyone who can log into Bule Barankat will have access to Roxana Reed Creates too. So if you have another admin or like a virtual assistant or something, you might not want to do that, but for me it's just the one account, so I'm going to click OK or tap OK. And now it's pretty much there. So it says complete sign up. And this will take you through to setting up your page. So just put your birthday in. I'm just going to leave that for now. And then you can add a photo. Okay. And it's always really good to add a photo, you know, that's quite professional or shows your, like what your business is, if it's your logo or just a picture of yourself. I'm just going to choose from my library. I've got the same picture from before that I'm using on my current account, and I'm just going to have that as it is. Okay, so that's done. Now here's very important where it says also share this photo as a post. Unless you want to post your profile picture in your main feed, then make sure you deselect this. So I do not want to do that because there's no point for me. Okay, now remember password. Yes, I do want to remember the password because that's the whole point I'm doing this. I don't want to remember a million different passwords. So just make sure you tap OK as well. And then, you can skip this part if you don't want to follow any accounts. And then this is it. It's pretty much set up. It will recommend some people to you from your from your other linked accounts. So these are like people I follow a different account. And if you again just tap your icon, you can see it's all empty and it's got these suggestions at the bottom to complete your profile. Now if you're going to make a sort of business account on add your name, I would add the name of your business account or something that your business does. Okay, so for example, if this was going to be my new account, which it's not, I would put something just like YouTuber and social media tips or something like that, like whatever. I think I've put something before on my other account as my name, so it's not actually my name, it's just what I do. And then for add bio, again, you would just type in there, a few lines about what it is you do, what your business does, a call to action, and you can add a link, find people to follow, so on. Okay, that's pretty much it for now. So if I go back to like my actual account, Roxana Reed Media, that I really do use, I can just switch easily between all my accounts. Roxana Reed Media, this Bule Barangkat one, this is my Indonesian sort of travel account. I've still got Advanced in English here, which was my old teaching account, and it's easy for me to switch all between these. So yeah, that's why I like to link my accounts. Perhaps if you've got people on your team, or if you are like really bad at creating strong passwords, if your password has been compromised, you might not want to do this. But generally speaking, for me, it's just a lot easier. So that's what I do. Okay, so those are all the steps that you need to set up a new Instagram account. I hope that was helpful, and if it wasn't, then let me know what you are struggling with. Just drop a comment below and I will try to help you out, because I only have like 5 comments and I can reply to all of them. It's good. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button below so you can keep watching these videos and learning lots of different social media tips and tricks, and also content related to videography. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!